what if the messages from Dark Souls and Elden Ring were usable in real life? Well, I decided to create an app to do it and see if the idea has potential. So, first step, I started Android Studio and created the project. For the time being, MessageDrop will be the work in progress name. Now, first thing I needed was obviously a map. I initially tried to use OpenStreetMaps, but for various reasons I quickly turned to Google Maps. And after an afternoon of reading Google's horrible written documentation, I achieved a working map in my app. Since we want our message to be visible by any user, we need a database to store them. So I integrated the Google Firestore database in the app. It's not an ideal solution, but it's quick to set up, so for now will do. I also written the code to submit and read message to and from the DB. And since nobody wants to submit over and over the same messages, I also created a small dialog box to insert the username and the message you want to submit. And even changed the message marker icon. This one is too blurry, let's maybe try another one. What the fuck? Okay, now this one is too big. Give me 1 second. There! As I was saying, I even changed the marker icon. I also added the code to make appear only the messages near you, because, you know, in Dark Souls you can't see the message in the whole map, and with this we can do a basic test in the field. So, for example, let's say you are walking on a nature trail, you can leave an encouraging message and maybe also give little tips like there's a bench soon you can rest on. And of course, this way other users with the app can see the message when walking near it. Or you can just read other users' thoughts about the place you're currently in and maybe leave yours as well. Now, obviously this is a very early prototype. The user interface sucks, but if developed further I will obviously improve it and add features like user profiles, statistics, badge, achievement, etc. For example, now on screen there is a still very crude mockup of a slightly more developed message dialog I made a while back. But yeah, the scope of this video was to showcase the idea and see if there was interest. So let me know in the comments if you think this app is worth pursuing and if you will use it. In the meantime, feel free to check out my other apps as well, and hopefully we will see each other again soon.